Your smartphone and the remote patient monitoring kit does more than just transmit your daily readings. Let's take a quick look at what your smartphone can do. If you have any issues with your medical device, open the Photos app for video tutorials and/or troubleshooting your medical device. You can also send text using this smartphone by opening the Messages app. From here, you can text your doctor or nurse. On occasion, your doctor or nurse may send you text to keep you updated. Plus, if you wanted to have a telemedicine visit with your doctor, open this app for the appointment link. If you experience any issues and need to speak with one of our representatives, they may ask you for an access code. Open the SOS app for that code. If you need any additional assistance, reach out to our remote patient monitoring team.